Yeah, but your parents was alcoholic.
No, they had parties.
I already explained that to her.
I know. That's why it's a shame. This just fell off the stair.
Good morning, Philippines!
Nag-vlog dito sa sasakyan kasi kanina umaga nag-i-edit lang ako ng 2 video and then yeah, so andito tayo sa sasakyan. Punta po tayo sa isang bahay. I-meet natin yung kapatid ni Mr. Kopigo. Look, he's here. Say hi.
Hi guys.
So yeah, and then ulan, mag-ulan daw, so sobrang cloudy, so hopefully hindi masyadong thunderstorm mamaya sa bahay kasi alam nyo na si Roxy, and yung sa New Rochelle yung ulan is hanggang 3 o'clock daw ng hapon, guys. And it's funny guys because we're talking about trailer. So we're talking about trailer because maybe one day we can find a trailer that it's fit the budget. And I said there is a trailer that is, you know, you pull it with your car, truck, whatever. And I said pullable. I said guy pullable, and he kept saying, oh, I need a truck for that because it's, you know, it's a pullable. and then I asked him, and is the pullable, is it a real English word? I said no. But it's so cute, honey. Can you see pullable?
What do you think? You
No.
said it 12 times.
Can you see it, hon?
Gullible.
See it?
Gullible. Well, it doesn't come up by sergeant.
No, it doesn't. So it's not an English, guys. It's
Wait.
just. Oh, it's like this, guys. Oh,
It does go down.
so it's like this,
Yeah,
guys.
it says pullable, capable of being pulled.
Oh, really? It's like this. Oh, not like that. So there is an English. And
It says.
so there is a pullable word in the dictionary. Oh, another trailer, guys. Look. Another trailer. Hi, guys. We are here. Your video is stopping. Hi, guys. Andito na kami. Close the car, okay? Wala pa yung kapatid ni Mister. Wala pa sila. Why the bike is here? This is Tommy's bike, guys. Look, it's a motorbike. It's battery operated, so he doesn't have to pedal. Look, you see the battery? Right here. Oh, nilagay dito. Why your bike is here, honey? You put it here?
To try and charge it.
Oh, where's the charger?
Right here. But it takes like 8 hours to charge. It's supposed to do it on a day when I was like here overnight for the rain.
Oh. Okay. So, wala pang kapatid ni Tamimoy. Oh my God. Hindi man din ako maglihok-lihok dito, guys, kasi I don't know if yung sinabi ko sa vlog na problema, guys, dito sa bahay is dahil dito sa ceiling na ito. Ang ceiling na ito is nagtubig. Ang problema dito is hindi namin alam kung saan nagsimula yung tubig. Kasi talagang makikita mo talagang as in sobrang tagal na nitong bahay and then ngayon lang nagkaano lang. Tubig. Nasira dyan siya guys. So, yun yung problema dito. So, more problem. Look, tignan nyo tong bahay na ganito, oh. Oh, pahagdan. Di ba maano siya? Maganda siya pag i-imagine mo na. Imagine mo na ibang furniture, maganda, baguhin, di ba? The house is nice, honey, when if you put new furniture, the rug, change to wall of wood, and open this up, you know, to have open concept. I guess we have to bring this home now because there's nothing here anymore left anyway.
Well, we're not bringing it home until, because stuff in the garage and stuff may give me trapped.
Oh, this paperwork needs shredding. Okay, I probably come on here and shred because there's a lot of shredding thing. So, ang gagawin ko na lang dito is mag-shred na lang ako, guys. Kasi wala naman din akong ganap. Wala akong gagawin and then masama din yung pakiramdam ko. Ito yung shredder. I don't know kung asan yung machine. Han, this is a shredder, right?
What?
Where is the shredder?
Inside.
No, I mean that one. Usually mom put something in there.
I don't know, there's one inside, one here.
This one. Ang sakit talaga ng ulo ko, grabe. Meron kasi tayo, guys, kaya yarn. Let's try to do this. There's a lot of bags. That's how we want to put the tools. Okay, hopefully this still work. To see, ito siya. Ang problema lang sa shredder na ito, guys, is ano siya, madaling overheat. Daming papel. Wala, hindi pala pwede. Ito yung problema sa itong shredder na to talaga. Nakakairita. It's tough. This shredding machine is just stupid. This one is just ridiculous. That's so. Maybe push this. This is not used. We don't use this shit. Careful, huh? Masakit na yung tiyan ko, guys. Nag-start ng sumakit. Sumakit. Nag-start ng... So, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko sa mga papel na to. At saka ang dami pa ng mga papel. Ang dami pang papel doon sa isang bahay. Na dinala ko talaga para tignan. Yun, tignan ko pa. Hindi ko pa alam kung... Pero for sure, she's ready yan. So, hindi ko alam, guys, kung anong gagawin. Anyway, so, wala na talagang hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin dito. Mga crystal, guys, oh. Sirang-sira na yung box. Dalhin ko yan sa bahay. I-wrap ko lang siya. Hold on. I-wrap natin. With the music.
Yeah.
In music, and then with somebody playing with the piano organ.
The piano is down here, yeah.
Yeah, and then somebody playing with what does that, Paul?
Yeah, and there was a lot of people down here because what happened was
This is kind of like tight.
it was a couch against the wall.
Over here?
Yep. And I don't know what other chairs. Ange asked me because we were talking about the 6 or 8 bar chairs, whatever.
The one that you put outside.
Yeah.
The orange one. You even remember the time?
I do remember.
You do?
Yeah, I do remember.
Seriously?
Listen, you.
Are you drunk?
Wow. Bag. Outside? Yeah. Huh?
Huh?
The bag's outside?
Yeah,
Well, that in there because the doors don't move nice. But look at the mirror. Look how pretty.
yeah, it's nicer
I
now.
feel like people at the bar. My father serving.
Yeah,
drinks.
look at that now. It's nicer, and also this is real wood, right?
Yeah, it's probably a really nice piece of. I mean,
Look
it's
at, and the curve is like.
Yeah, that's why I said. That's what I was telling. I might even polish it just because.
You're right. What you think people will keep this?
Well, they're gonna have to rip it up because of the floor.
And what is this? Is real, right?
It's tile, but they're gonna have to rip it up because of the floor. But look, oh, don't put those dirty glasses in front of my clean mirror.
This is how it's nice, honey. Yeah, I can see mom. I can see mom over there serving drinks.
Yeah.
All I wanted was...
Oh, polisher. Did you just bring this down?
No, that was there.
What is this? This is vinyl.
It's
Formica.
Formica.
It's the old Formica.
Oh,
That's what they used to do
Maryann and
years
that kind
ago.
of shit back
Years
in the
ago,
day.
they used to do Formica.
it's nice and pink. It's so girly here.
Tommy, I'm gonna come
Orange.
to your house.
Orange.
I'm gonna steal some of your clothes.
That's
I
why I
don't
to-
have any foam.
That's why I told you if you wanted it to take it that day.
Oh, well, I
That's
don't
fine.
have any foam stuff, and the foam, that's not the same as the other one we use in the house.
Nope.
And it works, foam works way better than the non-foam.
Yes.
Yeah, I never have bought non-foam.
Actually, Andrea, it's really nice area here when it's really nice.
Sorry, we were at alcohol.
We're out of alcohol here. We got no alcohol.
Yeah, but your parents was alcoholic.
No, they had parties.
I already explained that to her. She just likes to say
Where's Andrea? That glass over there, if that's clean, that would be nicer.
it used to be beautiful.
Yeah. And what are you gonna do with this housey?
If Isabel wants to give to somebody, I guess I'm gonna go in the trash. Well, I would get rid of the furniture out of it.
Oh, there is a furniture here. Oh, this is a nice furniture. You can give it to Amelia.
Yeah, look at this.
He has 2
Look at that.
dollhouses, Amelia.
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
And there is another box here. There's another house here, huh? Oh, a box here.
See the transformer?
Look at this
See
house.
this?
Oh, that's good on there.
Lights. The lights in here work.
This house, guys, hold on. Let me show the house. Now look, my sister-in-law's.
I don't think this is it.
Yeah.
Welcome to small house. This is really nice, honey
No,
house.
there's no plug in the bar.
Seriously?
Yeah, there's no plug in the bar.
And then my furniture pa yan, guys. Look, the furniture go inside is din okay pa. Maganda pa yung mga furniture. Oh,
Nope.
look,
Nope.
kasama sa dollhouse.
Oh, that extension up there.
Oh, right here. It's back
Look at
here.
the furniture.
Extension
It's
up
so
there.
nice. It's so nice.
See that brown
Yeah, I
extension?
ain't gonna touch this.
I unplugged something from there.
Sa sister daw ito nila, guys. Look, hala. Look at the have lights.
Does it go?
Look. It's
Yeah,
lit.
we'll use.
So where is the back of this one? And the other
There is
side
no
of the
back.
roof?
This is how you do the things.
Ah, there's no back.
Right, that's the front, and then you manipulate everything from here.
Ah, look at that. Don't kill the ano, hala. It's nice, hon.
Yeah, wood floors in this one, carpet here, wood floor, carpet.
Yeah. You cannot donate it to a little somebody?
And they got little plugs here. See these little plugs here? These are for lamps.
It's really strong, not like a dollhouse now that it's
See
different.
these little plugs here?
Yeah, what? What?
See those little plugs?
Yeah.
Those are little lamps and stuff. I don't see if she
Oh.
even has any lamps in here.
It's probably here, oh.
bathtub, toilet bowl.
Toilet bowl. This is probably the bathroom here. No, pagpasok mo dito, tignan niyo. Honey, in the camera, honey, looks real, hon. Honey, look. Look at this, hon. Hello, guys. This is real. Honey, looks real.
Try how many Hollywood sets we put on like this. Chair, really.
Really, Hollywood?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes. Miniatures are a big thing in Hollywood.
Oh my, Andrea.
Look, a rock. Look, a rocking,
Looks real to
look,
me.
a
If
rocking
you,
chair.
I know, they're all little itty bitty sized furniture. You can go.
if come here, if you look in the camera, look, it looks real. Look, look.
Yeah, I know. I know. That's why it's a shame. This just fell off the stair. It was a tread, but yeah.
It's,
I'm trying to find one little lamp. Because you got the plugs up there for the lamps.
not forget it. This is a nice. They have a nice furniture.
I guess I
Marble tabletop.
Wow, it's complete.
I guess she said she never wanted it. Steve's mother wanted her to have something.
So who bought it for her?
Steve's parents made Steve
An old
build
boyfriend.
it for her or something.
Huh?
Oh yeah, an old boyfriend.
An old boyfriend? If
Find me.
His parents made him build it for her. And actually the father mostly built it, she said, because Steve's horrible.
Yeah, I thought the mother was one of those into the dollhouse.
She was.
Meow,
But the mother
meow,
took
meow,
Steve,
meow,
but
meow.
Steve it wasn't handy. I'm just going by
Little
Steve, though.
playpen for the baby. With a padded thing.
this house need cleaning.
Yeah. Toilet bowl. Flip up.
Look at this. This is so cute. I grew up never. Oh my God, I don't see this
That's the
thing.
coolest thing, the grandfather clock.
Look at this, guys. That's a.
Chairs. Okay.
Oh, this is a nothing, baby.
That's from when we took the
Oh,
freezer.
The cover for that thing, right?
What?
The cover for that thing.
No, well, there is a cover for that thing there too, but that's not it, I don't think.
So what is that from?
I think that's
Hi guys. Look. Hugasan ko lang siya. Dalhin ko sa bahay. Maganda ito, oh. Shelf. Dalhin ko to.
Okay, big screws. We could pull this out.
Well, here's first. This piece comes off.
Yep.
I see these four brackets here?
Mm-hmm.
They seem to be holding.
The back.
Hold back. What's holding this thing?
The back comes
No,
off?
no. You got one bracket right there that's holding this. See that bracket in the middle right here?
Wait, here.
Yeah.
That's metal. You can feel that, right? That's a big metal, Andrea. Look.
Right here, you can't. Have fun.
Okay guys, it's already 6 something na. 6 something na, and then andito pa rin kami. And hilong-hilo na ako. Gusto ko nang umuwi. And yan, uwi na kami. It's 6:33 na. Kawawa yung Roxy Coast.
Wait. Give me 2 more seconds. I know.
Guys, pauwi na po tayo guys. Ang ganda ng ano, oh. Look, new invent ni Tami. Hindi daw siya mag-wear ng mask. So guys, dito kami sa Green Garden. Nag-order si Tami ng, ano sana guys, KFC sana yung orderin namin. Kaso, tawag nito. Sabi ko, ay, Chinese na lang. So yan, andun siya. Walang mask si Mister. Guys, Roxy is scared. Roxy was crying guys because Tami guys is scaring them in the camera. Hello baby. Roxy was crying like crazy. I know. Hala, what is that? Tami guys is like scaring the camera guys, like the camera over there. He said wow, and Roxy went ahoo. Come here love, just love, no, come here mama kisses baby. Tinako talaga ni Tami and Roxy just want, she just cry guys, cry because what the heck is that? Help us.
How you doing, man?
Okay. So, nag-order kami ng Chinese sa labas mga lagat. Pakainin na yun niya yun. Mga anak, mga babies. Kain muna kami.